Okay, hello everybody. My name is Benisha Shapatoto Bogote, and this is assignment 2.2 SQL Server Management Studio Primer. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is we have to connect to our SQL server using SSMS. So let's go. So this is SQL. This is SSMS SQL Server Management Studio, and I'm going to try to connect. All right. So server name localhost. So why am I typing localhost? Localhost is to say that the instance of my SQL server is currently running on my computer, right? So this is to notify to the studio management that the instance of the SQL server you have to connect to is actually running on my computer. Alright, so I'm gonna connect. Okay, so you can see by yourself that I'm connected. Alright, so that's the first step. The second step is we have to select our database. Alright, so let me go to and I'm gonna expand the database section, and you can see this is the database that we created in the previous assignment. In the previous assignment, we've created this database. Okay, and how to execute the SQL command in the, okay, I'm just gonna download this thing. Alright, I'm gonna download this thing and just go to my here. Okay, I'm gonna open it, and okay, and I'm gonna select my database, come back here and execute. Okay, so to verify, I'm gonna expand the database, come at view, and you can see this is the result. All right. Okay, this is the school's customer view. Okay, so let's go for the next step. The next step we have to yeah. So this view contains, okay, this is what I did. What is the Object Explorer? So the Object Explorer, this is the Object Explorer, okay? And this is where I can manage and my servers, alright? Because here, this is the server that I'm connected to, and I can have like multiple servers and manage them from here, alright? So the Object Explorer is like the Fire Explorer in Windows. It helps us manage servers on in Studio Management. Okay, let me just expand that. Let's go to the next one. So the next thing is we have to run the script and create a table. All right, I'm gonna let me just go back here. So this is the table. I'm gonna click on it, and I'm going to execute it. Okay, that's going to refuse because I already executed the file. Alright, so I'm going to come here. Okay, you can see the table by yourself. This is the table because I've done it before actually recording this video. So that's going to say that the object already exists. So the query is going to be unavailable because I've already done it. Okay, I've already created a table with the same name, so that won't work because I've already done it. Okay, so let's go for the next one. So the next one is actually how to select 1,000 rows from the table. Okay, let's come here. Let's come here. Select 1,000 rows. Okay, so you can see by yourself this is selected 2,000 row. Alright, let's go for the next one. Next one, and what we do, select okay, how to generate to create a script. So let's go and create the script. Okay, so let's go here, let's come here, click, right click, script as, and then create new editor. Okay. Okay, so this is it. So for the next one, Yeah, so okay, for the next one maybe. Let's go for the next one. So the next one, what we have to do is we have to display display the estimated execution plan and display an actual execution plan. So let's go to SQL Management Studio. Alright, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna display. This is actually to include the execution plan. So if I click here, I'm going to display the execution. This is how to display the estimated execution plan. And here, if I come here, this will include the actual execution. Yeah, actual execution plan. Okay, let me just click on it. Okay, so this is for the execution plan and Control L. Execution plan and Control for the Control Helm will display the actual plan. Okay, an actual execution plan. So if I come here, as you can see by yourself, I've included the actual execution plan, and this will display then the estimated execution plan. Okay, all right. So let's go for the next one. So the next one is we have to come to the table and search how we can filter. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna filter settings. Okay, so you can see I can filter by names, by schema, owner, durability type, and is memory optimized and so on. So I can decide on which one on which proper of filter criteria I'm going to filter. Okay, let me just close the tab. Next one is we have to we have to clear the code red lines. Okay, I'm gonna just come here. So to clear the code, I can come here and select this and come edit intelligences and then come right here and refresh. Okay, this will remove, because I've already done it, so this is not that's why you don't see the red lines. Alright, because I've already done it, but this is how we actually do it. Okay, the next one is we have to comment. Okay, the next one is we have to do this and comment. So in order to comment, I'm going to just come here, come right here. Okay, got it. I think that's it. So in order for me to execute a new plan, or maybe I want to write a new query. So what I would do is come here. No, I'm just gonna select my database, click on new query, and this will open up something like this. Okay, for example, take this script, and then if I can execute it, I will execute. Okay, this is how we actually create a new query. I can even write it myself. Same thing, and execute a new query. Okay, thank you very much. So to reinforce my knowledge, I've chosen 3 videos in order to reinforce my knowledge, to really inform my understanding. The first one is SQL tutorials with this guy. I think it's very important. It helps me understand how can I navigate the SQL Management Studio. And also this guy is also give us some tips about how we can navigate the SQL Management Studio. But this guy offers like the whole picture, which is like taking you from the basics, like what is a database, how does it work, and so on. So I think that's it for my video, and thank you for watching.